Allahu Akbar.
Saturday evening, President Uhuru Kenyatta hosted the first ever iftar dinner in State House, Nairobi. Iftar is a meal that breaks the day of fasting during the month of Ramadan. The president noted that his mission as a leader of this nation is to ensure that all Kenyans live together in unity, irrespective of their color, creed, and culture.
For me, even if I achieve nothing else, but I am able to achieve the feeling of one Kenya, one people, I will thank the Almighty God, and I say that at least kuna kitu nilifanya wakati ulinipatia nafasi.
He noted that he invited Muslims to break their fast at State House as an expression of solidarity with the Muslim community on the occasion of the holy month of Ramadan. The president donated 2 million shillings to help those disadvantaged in the Muslim community buy necessary basic requirements during this holy month.
Ipatiwe maimam waweze kugawa katika misikiti, at least iwe ni ishara pia ya kuonesha hata pia wale ambao hawajiwezi ya kwamba tunawakumbuka. Na tuko pamoja na hao.
On his part, Deputy President William Ruto reiterated the government's commitment to ensure that peace and security is guaranteed to every Kenyan.
There are incidences across the country of insecurity. The government will do its part, but every citizen and every religious leader and every leader must play their part to make sure that we have a safe country that will give ourselves the best possible chance to worship our God.
He further asked Muslims to continue praying for the nation during the month of Ramadan. Speaking during the function, Muslim leaders present noted that the iftar at State House was historic and a sign of bonding intended to bring Kenyans together. The end of the historic iftar in State House, Nairobi came with a clear message to Kenyans, and especially the Kenyan Muslims in this month of Ramadan, to pray for peace and unity in the country. Hassan Mugambi, K24, Nairobi.